Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the simple steps to log into your PNC Bank online account. Follow this step-by-step guide to complete your login in just 1 minute. Step 1. Open your web browser. Start by opening your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. Step 2. Visit the PNC Bank website. Type in the URL for PNC Bank, www.pnc.com, and hit enter to navigate to the home page. Step 3. Locate the Login button. On the home page, look for the green Login button situated at the upper right corner of the screen. Click on it to proceed. Step 4. Enter your user ID. You will be directed to the login screen. Here, enter your user ID in the provided field. Make sure to double-check for any typos. Step 5. Enter your password. Next, enter your password in the adjacent field. Again, ensure that you are entering the correct password. Step 6. Click on Login. Once you have entered both your user ID and password, click the green Login button to access your account. Step 7. Use additional features. Optional. If you are using a personal device, consider checking the Remember Me option to save your login details for future visits. This step is optional but can save you time during subsequent logins. Step 8. Access your account. Congratulations! You are now logged into your PNC Bank online account. From here, you can view your account balances, make transfers, pay bills, and access other banking features. Thank you for following along with this quick login guide. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful tutorials.